Hello, Kristin from the Delia Group here. Today we're going to talk about summer listing prep without renovations. So this is the easy button, how to get your home ready for the market without undergoing major renovations to your kitchen and your bathrooms. So what are the top 5 high ROI prep items for listing your home? The first is deep clean. Clean always wins. You want to deep clean your floors, your baseboards, the grout, in your tile. The second thing is curb appeal. We want to mow, edge, mulch, trim. Make sure that the outside, the exterior of your home is as welcoming as possible. Maybe paint your front door. The third thing is clean your windows, replace your light bulbs, open your blinds. These types of things make your home feel light and airy, give it that summertime vibe that everyone's looking for. Number 4, declutter and depersonalize. Go through your closets, clear off your countertops. Make sure you're minimizing your personalized decor. And the 5th thing is minor touch-ups. Touch up your scuffed paint, caulk your gaps, fix your leaky faucets, tighten your hardware, and make sure everything's ready to go. If you have any questions about prepping your house for sale, please give us a call today.